away, take it away, feeling too good to me.
Hi beautiful, welcome back to another slay. You guys, I slayed this unit out the package. I'm going to be showing you guys a few easy steps. You guys know my word is easy, of how you can achieve this unit out the package. Yes, and your curls are going to come out popping. So if you follow my steps, I promise you your wig will come out just like this. And if you're interested for the gems on this unit, please go ahead and stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Alright beautiful, so we're going to start off by getting into this packaging. Very beautifully wrapped if you guys are getting this for yourself or a gift. You know, it's that time of the year, you guys are going to be hooked up, okay? So this is how she comes straight out the package. I have not done nada to this unit. This unit comes very beautiful. I mean, the curls are awesome. You can even wear this straight out the package. You do not have to style it. If you like more of that, you know, kind of wild look, you don't have to tame the curls at all. And I actually was going to wear straight out the package, but I did want to show you guys how you can manipulate this unit and how it can go from being kind of flat to very voluptuous. So I made sure I got this unit completely saturated with water. I did use a little bit of my Mixed Chicks Curl Serum. I think I will add that down in the description box, but this unit does not need product at all, and I'm going to show you why. So when you get the hair completely wet, you want to make sure you're using your detangling brush, and you want to saturate all the curls, and you want to make it as flat as possible. You want to really get it all the curls soaked with water, and you want to do this because you want it to get the curls very hydrated, and then you want to be able to, like, you know, plump them up. So that's what I did here. I'm just basically going in with my diffuser, and you guys have seen this diffuser before. I got it off of Amazon. I don't know if they sell it anymore, but you can get all types of diffusers and pretty much do the same thing to your hair. So the trick is, when you're diffusing, is to not only do it right side up, but turn your hair, kind of just like go upside down. And when you go upside down, it's going to create so much volume. I don't know if you guys can see from the beginning how flat it was, and then when I just like turned my head over and did it the other way, it just created so much volume in the hair. So that's what I did to get it looking big, and I could make it even bigger if I was to do it for a longer period of time, but I just chose to do it for a few minutes, and these are how the curls came out. Very healthy. It looks like real hair. If you were to look at the top of my scalp, it looks like it's coming from my head because of that HD parting space. So very beautiful unit. I fell in love with her all over again after I just put my own spin on her. So I highly suggest that you guys go ahead and do this step if you guys purchase this unit. Okay, you guys, so here she is from the back. Very voluptuous, very beautiful, very bouncy. I get compliments on this wig all the time. People think that this is actually my hair. And, you know, if you want to switch it up, you definitely can straighten this unit. You can make it straight. You can blow it out. You can straighten it. So she is definitely a go. And I highly suggest you purchase her, especially for the holidays in the winter. You guys know how often you kind of want to switch your hair up and you don't want to really, you know, dry your own hair out. So this unit is perfect, the perfect go-to style, I would say. So yes, you guys, please enjoy the rest of this video. And yeah, she is gorgeous. I would love to know what you guys think, so please go ahead and comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, because your girl will be back with more videos, more gems, and I cannot wait to show you guys what I have up my sleeve. And thank you guys so much again for tuning in. It's always my pleasure. Bye.
Yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen.